Good morning, students. This is class 7th. Today we will study about indicator. The substance which determines the property of acid or base, significance of acid and base is called indicator. Indicator is of two types, natural indicator and a synthetic indicator. Natural indicator is obtained from nature, from plants and other means, and synthetic indicators is prepared by man in laboratory. Litmus paper, turmeric, China rose are natural indicator. On the other hand, phenolphthalein, methyl orange is synthetic indicator. Now, first we should know why the need of indicator to signify acid and base. As in definition of acid and base, we have studied that acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. So on tasting, signify the acid and base is dangerous, not good. It is dangerous for health, so indicators are used. Natural indicator. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. Litmus is extracted from lichens. Lichen is a composite organism. It consists of fungi and algae living in symbiotic relationship. Litmus is available in the form of solution or paper strip of two colors, blue and red. Liquid litmus paper are used to detect the acidic or basic character. Litmus gives a purple color in distilled water. Blue litmus paper turns into red in acid while red litmus remains red. Red litmus paper turns into blue when dipped in base and blue litmus remains blue. Turmeric. Turmeric is of yellow color. Turmeric change into reddish brown in base and no change in acid, means it remains yellow. China rose. China rose is obtained from the petals of China rose. It is another natural indicator. We can make easily solution of China rose. We should collect some China rose petals and keep them in a beaker and add some warm water into the beaker. After some time the water becomes colored. Now we use that solution as an indicator to test the acidic and basic nature of different substances. As when it is mixed with lemon juice becomes dark red. Lemon juice is acid. Vinegar also becomes dark red. Orange juice also becomes dark red. Means it becomes dark red of magenta color in acid and green in base. As in soap solution and milk of magnesia, it turns green. Synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are prepared in laboratory. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange are most commonly synthetic indicators. They are used to detect the acid and base. Phenolphthalein is colorless. It remains colorless in acidic solution but imparts pink color in basic solution. Methyl orange has originally orange color. It turns into red in acidic medium and yellow in basic medium. You have heard about acid rain and you know the disadvantages of acid rain. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide, which are released from vehicles and chimneys, mix with droplets of rain and turn the rainwater acidic. When this acidic rainwater falls over earth, it is known as acid rain. Acid rain damages the buildings and is harmful for plants and animals. Taj Mahal, which is made of marble, is in threat because of acid rain. Many parts of Taj Mahal and other many historical buildings or monuments have got damaged due to acid rain. Next, neutralization and about salt we will study in next class. Goodbye.